Well, this is a new feature in Copilot called Audio Expressions, and surprisingly, this is more interesting than I initially thought. But in a nutshell, this is very much just like any other text-to-speech tool where you can convert text into speech. But there are some features that we can play around, like you can select the mode, select the voice, and also select the character or the style of the audio. And for my testing, it sounds really good. So before we continue, let me just give you a few examples that were created by this AI tool, starting from perhaps this
Oh, fair
one.
barista, lend thine ear to me. In morning's light, I crave a potion warm, a latte rich.
Yarr! Gather round, ye skellywags. It be I, Cap'n Barnacle Bill.
Okay, how about this one? This is a different
Close your
mode.
eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the weight of the day drift away.
Okay, I think you get the idea. So it is a text-to-speech tool but has human emotion, sounds very natural, and you can select plenty of styles to make the audio to be more believable and authentic. Now, let me show you how you can access this tool and a few modes that you can try. So here, I'm going to use the web version of Copilot, which is copilot.microsoft.com. And after that, you can log in with your account and you can click a menu called Labs and then find something called Copilot Audio Expressions and click Try Now. Now, at the moment, this feature is still experimental, so it might not be available in your country. And if that was the case, then you might want to use a VPN service to be able to use this amazing AI tool. Now, I'm going to use the emotive mode first. And essentially, you can just enter a topic and AI will extrapolate that and make the audio that sounds human and full of emotion. Let's say, I want to say, Merry Christmas. So as simple as that. And I can select the voice. I can also just preview the sample. Oops, sorry about that. I meant to
Hello.
click this.
What would you like to talk about?
Okay, no audio somehow.
Hello.
Okay, how about this one?
Hello, how can I help today?
Okay, I will use rain. And you can select the emotion of the character. Let's say I want to use excitement. And then later, I'm going to try it again, but with a different character or different emotion. And you will see the stark difference. I'll just wait for it.
Oh my gosh, Merry Christmas! Can you believe it? It's that time of year again. I just love the lights.
Okay, that was the excitement character. Let's use something else. I'm going to use sadness. And this is going to be so different than the previous emotion. Okay, just wait for it.
I just want to say Merry Christmas, but it feels so hollow, you know? Like everyone's out there celebrating and I just can't shake this feeling of disappointment. I mean, it's supposed to be a time of joy.
Yep, yeah, it sounds less exciting compared to the previous one. So that's the idea of the emotive mode. You can enter a few words or a topic and then AI will extrapolate that and will create audio based on your settings. So let's move on with the other mode, which is story mode. And this one is also very interesting. You can enter any topic or story or just the general idea of the story, and then AI will try to narrate the story. But also, the same voice might play a character in the story. Let me give you one example. Please explain the story of Terminator. Okay, I will select the same voice again, I guess, and click generate. So it will generate an audio with a length of about 1 minute to, less than 2 minutes, generally speaking. So it's very short story, but you'll see that it sounds quite
ravaged
interesting.
by war, a soldier named Kyle Reese prepared to face a relentless foe, the Terminator. A machine sent from the future, the tension in the ending determination.
I am programmed to eliminate Sarah Connor. Resistance is futile.
Yep, that's actually the same voice playing a character in the story. So it's very interesting. Unfortunately, the duration is usually very short, less than 2 minutes. But if it was longer, then you could imagine that you can use it to narrate an actual story, and perhaps you can also use it for a video or presentation or something like that. I think that's going to be very interesting. Now let's move on with the final mode, which is a simple text-to-speech. Sorry about that. So sorry, apologize. So yeah, it is very much simple. Just like 11 Labs, you can enter text and then it can be converted into audio. So let me try to copy this, and let me just paste that right here. I will select the same voice, and the emotion would be, I guess, news. Oh, how about robot? That's going to be interesting. Let's generate and let's listen to this short
Harry
plot
Potter,
of Harry Potter.
an orphaned boy, discovers he is a wizard and attends Hogwarts, where he must master magic to...
Okay, let me try something else. How about maybe... let me see. How about news? That's going to be more exciting than the robot voice.
Harry Potter, an orphaned boy, discovers he is a wizard and attends Hogwarts, where he must master magic to ultimately defeat Lord Voldemort, the dark wizard who killed his parents and threatens the world.
So yeah, that's basically it. It's actually not difficult to use, and you can always download the audio to your computer in case you want to use it for your other projects. So that's how you can use Copilot Audio Expressions to generate some natural sounding and authentic human voice using some other features or settings in the tool. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.